a mod has started overstepping their boundaries, perhaps they aren't quite the person you thought they were when they first entered your chat, or maybe there's nothing wrong at all and you'd simply like to unmod someone for the sake of reducing the team size. Twitch mods are usually dedicated viewers who often reach out offering you free support purely because they respect you and your content. If you strip them of your title, there's a concern they may take things personally and it will tarnish the relationship with you, as well as prevent them from ever coming back as a viewer. A person I know was unmodded after helping a streamer for a number of years without warning or reason, and it left them feeling betrayed to the point they couldn't support that streamer anymore, and that relationship was completely destroyed. We found the best way to prevent any fallout is pretty simple: communication. Speak with them about it first before removing their mod. If it's something they've done, then you could talk with them about it first and try to rectify the issue, or simply explain why you have to remove their mod and that you hope it doesn't impact anything as it isn't personal. Most people are understanding, but a lot of Twitch viewers are quite the opposite. You'll want to do your best to avoid any unnecessary upset, as we found some take to the chat to spread hateful messages to the wider community in spite of the streamer, which is never a good look for either parties, so prevent this if you can. Every scenario is different and some are more delicate than others, so if you need any more intricate advice about your specific case, then reach out on Discord. I'll leave mine in the description down below. If you'd now like to learn how to add mods to your channel, then click here. Or for more tips and walkthroughs, click here. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.